How to blur videos in CapCut PC. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application CapCut and make sure that you import the video that you want to edit. Once the video has been imported, you need to copy this video and make it to 2. Once it is done, select the video and then click on Effect at the top. You need to search for the blurry focus effect and then click on it. Well, the blurry effect has been successfully added to this video. Well, if you want to blur only some of the area of the video, then what you want to do is tap on mask at the top right of the screen. You can also select the shape as you want to. Right now you can see I have selected circle. Now place this circle in the area that you want to blur. You can also resize the blurry effect. You can see that the head of that person has been blurred. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to blur the video on CapCut. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you, and thank you for watching it till the end.